Gabby got a golden shower latte.
Gabby spits out her latte.
Literally. But it's so beautiful.
See the storm clouds up ahead. Say the words I miss you. I can't remember what you said. I can feel your heartbeat.
So this is pretty rare and random, but Danny and I, he decided he is gonna go into work late today, so we are actually gonna go get breakfast this morning, which we never get to do, and I'm really excited to be able to spend some time together, because during the week we pretty much both just work so much that we don't get to spend that much time together. But I have my overalls on and I'm ready to go. It is it's Thursday, January 17th, by the way.
We don't gotta make it complicated and stir it up now. You and me, we got time to waste it. So give it up, cool down. Bigger houses, faster cars. Don't need it all, just come around to the backyard. We don't gotta make it complicated.
Good morning. It is January 17th, Thursday, and I just ran and grabbed some breakfast, and it is really cold outside, even though I didn't think so earlier. I had my celery juice. I am headed into the city to go see Third Eye Blind. We know some of them in the band, and I am going with Jag Lover. My lipstick feels so dark and I'm deeply distracted by it, but it is a phoneless show, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to record anything. Probably not, but I've never been to a phoneless show, so I'm actually kind of excited about that. But yeah, I'm going out on a weeknight, which never happens. Noelle's going crazy. Now Rachel and I are having a bunch of pizza. Yeah.
I don't even know what that was.
Good morning. It is January 18th, I think. I had a lot of fun last night and now I'm kind of hungover. But I had my celery juice and now I actually feel great, or like a lot better anyway. And there's like a little bit of snow on the ground outside, but now there's a lot of salt, so it's kind of not enough to show you. But it's also tomorrow, so I'll show you tomorrow. And yeah, I feel like today is going to be mainly an at-home day, as far as I know so far anyway. This week has been crazy. I feel really just tired in general. So I really want to take it easy this weekend. I have this crazy bun going on. And yeah, happy Friday. Hanging out with my little pupper boy. He's gonna get a bath today. I just got the sweet package from Abercrombie & Fitch just in time for a cozy snow day weekend. I love this. It's so soft and cute, and most importantly, a candle. It is January 19th, and I was having so much fun with my friends that I forgot to record a vlog for y'all.
We were just so busy
But
having fun.
we had some soup and we had so much fun.
It was so good.
It was so yummy.
Technically it's now the 20th, but we'll keep that between
We had
us.
a little bit of wine, so you know we're unsure of the date
Just
right now.
a
It's
little bit of
fuzzy.
wine. Just a
Not
little bit.
sure. Maybe like 4 bottles.
Yeah, maybe like 4 bottles, no big deal.
That's cool.
That's not. That's fine.
That's like a sip for us.
Yeah.
Sippy sippy. So since I want to make sure I committed to this before buying a juicer, this is what, if I make it at home, I have been having to put up with every day. This is what it looks like whenever you, these are like the bits that when you're done straining the juice out. And it's just crazy how green it is. It looks like it's edited. And I think I'm addicted, you guys. It's really weird. Didn't see this coming. So it is Sunday and Danny's watching football, but and I'm holding a lighter. I did not vlog all day because honestly I felt like I needed a little bit of a break. I wasn't having the best day and I just needed a time out for a minute. If you guys ever need that, be sure to give it to yourself, because I think it's easy with social media and just with certain things for you to get really, for you to allow yourself to get really like, I need to do this. And when you feel like you need a break for your sanity, give it to yourself. I feel like I normally need one at least 2 days a month. I feel so creepy just holding this lighter around, but I gave it to myself today and it felt very good, and I feel like it's important for my relationship with Danny and for a lot of different reasons. So yeah. Oh, I just got out of the shower. It is mad sunny out there, but it is amazing because yesterday it was very cold. I didn't even go outside, hence why I did not vlog yesterday. I've been a really bad vlogger this weekend, but I wasn't doing much and I, you know, took a little break, which was nice. And I'm going to Mexico this weekend, so I'll definitely have some awesome stuff to show y'all then. But I just got out of the shower. Need to do some emails. Duke goes to the groomers today. Very exciting stuff. I had said in another video I would let you know what protein I had gotten recently and loved, and it is this Well Australia protein, the chocolate one. It is so good. I just made a big smoothie for Abby and I, and it's just like the best. So good. I am super gross because I went to the gym. As I think I said before, Duke went to the groomers today, and my big box from Purple Carrot just came in, and I'm pretty sure it's all vegan, and I'm really excited because I've tried a bunch of other ones before, and my favorite was HelloFresh, and I also really like Plated, but this one had a lot of healthier options, so I want to check it out and see what I think. I think I have an eyelash in my eye. It's bothering me to death, but yeah, just a Tuesday that was a Monday over here, and ready to make dance. We are now in my closet room, and I just got ready for the day, and I thought that I would take you along on how I'm picking out an outfit. I have to go shoot at the Brooklyn Bridge today, and it's still pretty chilly in New York. It's not as bad as it was a few days ago, but it's still pretty bad. So I kind of want to just take you through the process of me picking out something to wear. I have to shoot something sponsored today, so I will be shooting these gold boots here, and I have like a coat that I have to shoot with them that's kind of like this color. So I was thinking that I could do these like ModCloth green cords, and I originally was thinking with an oatmeal sweater, but now I'm wondering if I should do black jeans and this sweater. Abby, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, that would be cute.
Like these with black, this with black jeans?
Yeah, I'm into that.
So we'll stick these back. But okay, so now I'm gonna do the coat's this color with this sweater that I haven't worn yet, and it's so cute. Abby has one too, and she's worn it a lot.
It's so soft.
It's so soft. And then my black jeans are actually downstairs because I wear them so often, but I think this will be super cute and have a texture underneath the coat, which is nice. But here we go. So after changing like 4 times, the shirt didn't look right, and I decided to change the boots because I felt like the other ones, Duke's blocking them, but I felt like the other ones looked really not good. So I absolutely love this coat though, and after I kind of like messed around, just goes to show sometimes I have to pick out so many outfits to make a huge mess before it's something that I actually really like. But I'm very happy with the final look. Abby and I, she's back there, are now headed to the Brooklyn Bridge to take some photos and have some fun. We woke up at like 7:30 today, so we both feel really crazy and dead, yeah.
We don't gotta make it complicated and stir it up now. You and me, we got time to waste it. So give it up, cool down. Bigger houses, faster cars.
Before we walk to the bridge, we got some coffees. Well, Abby
I got a golden latte.
She did, which kind of sounds like it would be a pea latte.
I mean, it looks a little like...
Abby got a golden shower latte.
Abby spits out her latte.
Literally. But it's so beautiful. I mean, not sunny or anything, but it's warm. For January, I'll take it. And look at that.
We don't gotta make it complicated. I feel it all with every piece of me. It's going down and we're turning it up. It's okay now, don't you worry. I let it go and I'm caught in a rush. We don't got a lot of money. We'll make it work with whatever we got. So bring yourself in on your own.
Abby left her coffee for a minute. Now she's really worried that someone put something in it. I think she's fine. Or drank it. But we are on the bridge, and I don't know. I've lived here for almost 8 years, I think now, and there are certain touristy things that never get old. Like, this is just one of those things where you can just see the whole city and you're like, it feels magical. And you feel lucky that this is something you can like come and do for 30 minutes, and I don't know, it's just amazing. I've actually only walked across it one time, but I normally come, walk half of it, take it in, take some pictures. Just beautiful.
Down 'cause we're turning it up. We're turning it up, yeah.
Please note, this seed in my freaking teeth is so bad.
You can't even really tell
It's a seed. Also would like to note, I have this Kylie lipstick, and I think it's like peach, the peach one, and I always forget how much I like it until I wear it. But now I'm super into it. For those of you that have watched my previous vlogs, you get that. I went to the gym tonight to spin class, and felt so good. I'm so disgusting though. And I just made these yummy veggie tacos. It's like tofu chorizo, and then cabbage, avocado, some aioli. So good. And I'm gonna watch some TV. Today was super boring. I'm sorry I didn't vlog much, but I am now going to bed. I'm so tired. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I am currently heating up leftovers for Abby and I to eat, and today I'm going to get my eyelashes refilled and a bikini wax for the second time in my life. I am not a fan, obviously, of getting it, but last time and we're gonna share some TMI here, but I get bad razor burn, so it's just a way that helps me keep, you know, I'm going on a tropical trip in a few days. I feel really good when it's nice and smooth. So I never talk about bikini waxes because I feel so weird. But anyway, I'll let you know how painful it is. We're going full nakies, if you know what I mean. So fingers crossed. I'm interrupting this video for a second to let you know that I am giving away a $50 Urban Outfitters gift card All you have to do to enter is comment down below letting me know your favorite part of this video, and be sure to subscribe. Good luck. What is it? Abby just asked me what Sailor Moon is. I don't know what it is. Wait, is it like a song? Like the cartoon? Sailor Moon?
Never seen it. Ever. Oh.
So you do?
It's
a little.
like some sort of anime something.
What?
What is that? That's anime.
Yeah, but she's like an OG.
But I don't
Alright.
like shows like this. It's not my.
I'm just I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I just got back from going to get my eyelashes filled, which you can tell they're a lot fuller. And then I went and got a bikini wax, which I've only gone to get one other time. I know. And it's really brutally painful, in case you didn't suspect, but it was already. And I randomly, not sponsored, decided to go to European Wax Center, and it actually was really, like, I went to the one in Long Island City, and I saw a girl, Karina, and she was great, very fast, very awesome, patient with me. And I want to share some tips that kind of made it easier for my, like my first time that I didn't do last time, but did this time, made it a little bit better. One, European Wax Center was great if you want to book somewhere and you don't know where to go. Normally what I do is I go on Yelp or on Google and see who people, because normally they'll call out someone's name that they really like. A lot of people said this girl, Karina, so I booked her, and really was impressed with the European Wax Center. Their wax actually was really good. And then 2 is to take ibuprofen like 30 minutes before. I did it this time, and I feel like I was in a lot less pain because I did that. I don't know why. I thought maybe like it would thin your blood and make you bleed. I don't know, but it was, I'm very glad that I took it. And then the third thing I wanted to tell y'all was that you don't, like, I always do this thing where I tend to like trim hairs and things like that. Don't trim any hairs. Try to let it grow out because you want it all to be even and long, because it makes the waxing easier and will actually get rid of everything. I'm really bad about that, and this is definitely something I'm going to take note of for my next appointment, is to really not shave. There's a little personal 3 tips with me about bikini waxes. Just want to say also, you definitely do not need a bikini wax. I get one because it makes me feel comfortable when I'm in a swimsuit and I'm about to go somewhere tropical, but totally a personal preference. And I also, like, so TMI, but I get ingrown hair, so it helps me for several reasons, personally, but you definitely do not need a bikini wax, and I just wanted to clarify that right quick. And yeah, I'm gonna make something to eat and watch some TV. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Until next time, bye guys. Oh, wait, while you're still there, don't forget to click the button and subscribe. It means so much to me every single time one of y'all subscribes to my channel. If you can leave me a comment down below to let me know what you liked about this video, it really helps me so much. It helps me know what to make. It helps me know what y'all want to see, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Bye.